Look at this. Your taskbar? Live music bars bouncing to your audio. This has been blowing up on Reddit, and honestly, I get it. It looks incredible. And the best part? It takes less than a minute to set up. The app is called Fluent Flyout, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install it and get the most out of it. Let's get into it. Click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the GitHub repo. Scroll down until you see the installation section. There are two ways to install it. You can use the Microsoft Store, that's the easiest route, or you can download it directly from GitHub. I personally don't use the Microsoft Store, so I'll go with the GitHub method. Follow along, and we'll be done in under a minute. Click the GitHub download link and save the file wherever you want. Once it's downloaded, open File Explorer. Go to where you saved it and extract the zip file. After that, you can delete the zip. You won't need it anymore. Now open the extracted folder, then open the subfolder inside it. You'll see a folder with Certificate in the name. Double-click that. Click Open, then click Install Certificate. Choose Local Machine. Select the option to place the certificate in a specific store. Click Browse, select the large text entry. Press OK, then Next, and just keep clicking Next and OK until it finishes. Once that's done, go back to the main folder and double-click the installer file. And that's it. It's installed. Alright, let's go through what this app can actually do. When you open the app, you'll land on the home screen. Click on Media Flyout to get into the media player settings. If you adjust your system volume, the Media Flyout pops up showing your current track. From there, you can change the style. There are a few options. I'll go with Style 3. Toggle the acrylic blur effect on or off. Enable the compact layout to make it thinner. Reposition the player. Center, right, top, wherever you want. And enable the scroll bar so you can seek through a track directly from the flyout. Now, the taskbar widget. Enable it and you'll see a widget appear right in your taskbar. To make it look better, enable background blur. This pulls the album artwork color into the taskbar widget as a blur. Then enable media controls. And now you've got playback buttons right there in the taskbar. This is the part everyone's here for. Enable the taskbar visualizer. Immediately, you'll see live audio bars in your taskbar synced to whatever you're playing. From here, you can reposition the visualizer along the taskbar. Adjust the bar count. 6 gives you fat, chunky bars. 12 is a cleaner look. Center the bars for a symmetrical style, and enable an idle bar. So even when nothing's playing, there's a small indicator to show the widget is active. I'll keep mine at 12 bars. Centered. Inside System Settings, you can fine-tune the background blur intensity, change the animation speed of transitions, and switch between visual styles. If you want to check the impact, open Task Manager. Fluent Flyout uses very little CPU and only around 200 megabytes of RAM. That's low. Most browsers use more than that just sitting idle. One quick thing, if you close the settings window and want to get back in, just open Task View, right-click on Fluent Flyout, and hit Settings. That's it. So yeah, if you listen to music while working and want your desktop to actually look the part, this is worth trying. It's free, it's lightweight, and it genuinely makes Windows feel more polished. Give it a go, and if you do, support the developer. They built something really nice here. That's it for this one. Take care.